Hey everybody, Larry up here at Northeast Oakville. Oops, gotta put my watch here. It's Larry, I'm up here at Northeast Oakville. We had a tremendous snowstorm yesterday. I'm on the roof, and I thought I'd give everybody an idea how much snow is up here while you're sitting in your warm offices. I was only kidding. Anyway, let's go have a little walk around, and the guys are trying to get the snow off the roof, okay? Here we go. It's almost up to my kneecap here. So we're coming up to the penthouse wall, and I think you can, we're watertight up to here with this fiberboard, as you can see, so that's a good sign. I gotta be careful I don't kill myself here. Whoa! There's one of the guys over there, working away. Get back up there, you.
Go with it.
Okay, good. Okay, we're back up. Let's go over this side.
Aircraft is already performing a test.
Watch, I don't kill myself here. Here we go. Look at this guy here. And I'm walking across. I want to kill myself. Everybody's laughing. Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. Come on down. See that snow? Okay, let's go. Gotta keep an eyeball on this guy. Look at the snow here. This is right up to my kneecaps up here. Big drift. Little windy. Hope he can hang on, the little guy. Let's go over here. Up. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to the, I guess it would be the east side of the school. Lots of snow over here, too. Concentration, I don't fall. I don't want to be embarrassed on my video. Wouldn't be the first time. So here we are. We're at the east side of the school. Lots of snow to be removed, as you can see. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope the next time I come up here is nice and warm. Bye for now.